Now, if you want to connect your spaceship domain to Vercel, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, what do you need, or what exactly do you need to do? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to spaceship.com and you want to prepare your details. Now, at the very top here, you want to click on all products. Now, by the way, you need to log in first. So, to the left side, you want to go to domains. And at the right side here, you should see apps. You want to go and choose the option that says domain portfolio, domain manager. Now, inside domain manager, what we need to do is you want to look for your domain. Let's go and select this one, and you want to go and choose the option that says name servers and DNS. Now, we'll be using this later on. So, what we need to do next is you want to go head over to your Vercel project. And here you want to go to the very top. We should choose domains, and you want to click on the add existing domain. Now, from here, you want to select where you want to add your domain. So, for example, I want to add it in here. Just going to click on select, click on continue. Now, you want to go into space your domain here. So, this is what my domain is. So, I'm going to copy this real quickly. Go back into my Vercel, on paste it, click on add. Now, it's going to give you the instructions on basically connecting it. Now, the thing with this one is, as you can see, invalid configuration. So let's go and just click on it. So we need to update certain details, like, for example, the DNS records and the Vercel DNS here. Now, you can either use name servers or records here. It depends on what you want to use. So as an example, I'm going to use a DNS record. So just going to copy this one. But name servers are faster. So if you want to use that, it's pretty much okay. So when you go back into Spaceship, again, you want to click on name servers and DNS. And depending on what you want to do, you choose the following. So if you want to use name servers, go and click on change for Spaceship name servers. Well, if you want to use DNS, you go and click on advanced DNS. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to start adding a record. Now, since this is an A record, let's go and click on add record, A record. Now, from here, let's go and click on default group here, add record. Now, this is going to be A. Now, let's go and just paste what we just copied before. Click on add. And once you've added that, you can go and just go back in here, click on refresh, and see if it actually updates. Now, it might take a while for the connection to complete. So, in this case, around 24 to 48 hours. So, if it doesn't work now, just wait for a while, and pretty much you're good. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.